Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce the new products on my right hand. This electric countertop stylings, stone pizza ovens. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the units, the length is about like a 28 inches wide. Include the handlebars. The depth of the units, they are almost about like a 23.5 inches deep. For the overall height of the units, about like a 12 inches. So we can see the front of the unit coming with the manual boards on site. They have all the temperature and adjuster settings and the powers. And also the door have a secure lock on it, so you need to pull up to open it. So we can see the inner side, they have a clay at the bottoms. Looking at the top, they have the heating elements on top of it. So the dimension of this clay area, it is about like a 17 3/4 inches deep. And also the 17 3/4 inches wide. For the clearance of the height, it is almost about like a 4 inches tall. Looking at the behind of the units, they come in with the stickers with the power informations. And from the manufacturers, they give you the standard of 110 plugs and also have a serial numbers at the bottom too. So this will be all demonstration information about these products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.